Yo YouTube, this is Blackhawk Pictures 13, here again to do a review on the Nerf Dart Tag HyperFire set. I'm going to be once again doing a full-scale review on this, and I'm going to tell you everything that there is to know about it. First of all, the HyperFire, which very few people have heard of, is this Dart Tag blaster and this little thing called the Eliminator, which another thing people have never heard of. Now, you may have seen this before, and you may call it the chain gun, the 10-shot, the, I don't know what else you can call it, but it's actually called the Dart Tag Blaster. Get it right, okay? If you look on the box, you don't you may see it being called something else, but if you look on the box, that's what it's called, the Dart Tag Blaster, okay? And I also mentioned that in Nerf gun classes, if you haven't already seen it. Now, this is, yes, pretty much similar to the Dart Tag Blaster, except it's green, and that's pretty much it. But the new theme of Nerf is, superheroes, last time I heard it from other people. So they made this in green, which I have the green because I personally just like the color of green better than orange when you're talking about a Nerf war, because reminds me of camouflage or something. Anyways, so the Dart Tag Blaster can actually be cocked many ways, and it goes decent range, about 25 to 30 feet. And if you notice about the Dart Tag Blaster that is red and blue, they had this problem where if you tip it upside down, hit it, shake it, the darts would fall out and you'd be screwed. They actually fixed that, or Nerf did. But if you do the air restrictor mod, the stick doesn't go over the dart, so it they fall out. So that's why if you ever do a mod on this, what you should do is just take out the suppressor and the spring, and then try with a very small drill head to go around it. And yeah, do that to each suppressor, which it does take a long time because there's 10 of them, but it's really cool. Now this gun is fast, but once you're out of ammo, if you ever are, it takes a long time to, do this to each shell. And the mechanisms are pretty fast. Some people will go like this, see, they'll be like this and then go like that. Some people will go like that, and some people, there's not really any more way to do it. But there's a lot of ways, that this gun can be used. Now, I'm thinking about, I'm going to buy another set of these, except just the red and blue ones, which are $30 instead of this being $40 at your average retail store. And I'm going to integrate this to a long shot and it's called the Decimator. You may have seen it on a lot of people's other channels, but you can see it on Nerf Haven from Of All the Nerf. So I pretty much talked about that. Oh yeah, one other thing is I think you can use other darts with this, but if you've ever noticed, some darts the foam has a bigger hole and it goes all the way up. Some darts don't, so they may fall out if the suppressor's not in all the way. That's pretty much all about this. Now this is the Eliminator. As I've said, it gets 10 to 15 feet, at least that's mine. It may be different for other people, but here it is. So pretty much holds one dart, as you can see. Mechanisms are a mixture of a recon and a strike fire. The only pretty much part about the recon is that this little arm comes out, and then when you fire it, as you can see, it goes in, just like the recon. Now, the air restrictor mod, I don't know, I tried to do it, and, we couldn't get it back together because it's a long story, but, yeah, so I'm not going to try that again. That's why the orange one is broke. I don't know how, UN13 said he did it, but I don't know. But anyways, yeah, this gun is really sweet. And when you hear that, don't say I'm an inexperienced modder, because I'm doing sick things to my long shot back there in my little operating room. Yeah. can't see it, but yeah. So don't say I'm an inexperienced modder, okay? And you can find the mod on this once again on Nerf Haven. Just like the decimator mod that I'm about to do. That's pretty much all you can do. So I'm gonna do a firing test. Oh yeah, one quick thing. It also has this storage for another dart. And yeah, there's not really many other things to say. And this gun is really cool, but like for a gun that goes not the farthest range you've ever seen, and you have to, it only holds 2 darts, it's not the best. But it's new and it's sweet. Now, I don't have that big of a firing range thing, but we're just gonna put it right there. I'd say this is 25 feet. So first, the eliminator. That was flat. That hit those hold on. I need a better camera view. You can't really see. Here. So from where I'm standing, which is right there, it'd be 25 feet. But where I need to put the camera so you can see the whole floor is about 20, or is about like 23. Anyway, so next eliminator arc. You probably couldn't see that. Next, the dart tag blaster. Flat. Hit the wall. Next, 45-degree angle arced. A lot of hop up. Next, 55-degree angle arced. It goes decent. And finally, I'll just do another flat one. And then I'll show you how fast you can do it. I just fired 4 darts, so there's 6 left, and I can show you how fast I can unload this. It's almost as fast as the Firefly. So yeah, that's it. Peace.